and welcome back to the Maker Studio. So today I have been dying to plant a garden for so long. It's so happy in the springtime to be able to plant seeds and see little things come up. I want to talk today a little bit about how plants grow, what they need to grow, and how you can grow your own plants that will turn into food from things you have in your kitchen if you can't get out to buy seeds. So that's what our video today is all about. Come along and join me for some time in the Maker Studio. So the first thing we're going to talk about today are the parts of a plant, because when we're talking about regrowing our own vegetables from things you can find in your fridge or your pantry, you need to know what part of the plant you need to be growing from. So here is a little graphic with the parts of a plant. Today we're going to plant some plants that will grow from things that you can find in your refrigerator or in your pantry. And the first thing that you have to know is how those plants grow and what part of the plant they come from. So I'll talk a little more about what you can grow from your fridge in a minute, but I'm going to show you what I found. So this is a lemon. Lemons grow from seeds. This is a seed in here. Now, I'm not actually going to plant this lemon because growing a lemon tree takes a really long time. So I decided that I want to see something grow a little faster than this, but just know that like any citrus fruit, you could take the seed out, you could put it in dirt, and you could plant that, and you would be able to grow a lemon or an orange tree. You just have to keep it warm enough. But I'm not going to do that today. I have a couple other plants that you can grow. I have a head of cabbage, so anything that grows, these are the leaves, right? And anything that grows from a stalk and has leaves like celery or romaine lettuce or cabbage, you should be able to regrow just using the bottom where they've cut it off from the roots. And it'll regrow roots and it'll regrow leaves. So we're going to be doing a cabbage today. There's also a couple other things that we can plant. This is a shallot. It's related to an onion and it kind of tastes like sweeter. It's kind of halfway between an onion and a garlic. You can actually grow these in dirt, and it'll take a little while for them to grow new ones, but by the end of summer, I would have some new shallots if I planted this in some dirt. So we're going to try that today. And of course, the classic, a potato. Potatoes grow from eyes. So when you have a potato that's starting to grow, like this little green growth, it's just starting right here, you can put that in dirt and it will actually grow a whole potato plant. So not all of our plants actually grow from seeds. Some of them grow from little growths on their fruits. Some of them grow from, if you have a root that's been uprooted, then you can regrow it. And some of them do grow from seeds. So the first one we're going to do our cabbage. Now, here's our safety tip for the day. Sometimes doing this involves cutting apart our vegetables. This is our safety time. Please go get an adult and let them do the cutting with the sharp knife. You can help. We're going to all plant together, but they're going to do the cutting with the sharp knife. So for our cabbage, what I'm going to do is I want to leave a little bit, maybe an inch or an inch and a half in between the part where the roots are going to grow and the rest of those leaves. The leaves we're going to take off and we're going to cook them because I want to still eat that. But we're going to just save the bottom to regrow using a little knife, so it's a little bit harder. There we go. Okay. And to make it easier for it to grow roots, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to trim the bottom here too. Again, this is your adult helping you with this part. Oh, see, now it's nice and clean there. You've got just a little bit of the root, and you've got a little bit of a space there to regrow some plants. So for the cabbage, all you have to do is I'm going to get a container. I'm going to fill it with just a little bit of water, and we're going to put it in there. Because we know that plants need different things to grow, right? They need water, they need sunlight, they need fresh air, and some of them also need darkness or dirt. We're going to talk about two of those plants now, but cabbage is not one of those. It doesn't need to be dark, it just needs to have some water. So we're just going to put it, just a little bit of water, and we're going to set that in our sunny place because we know that plants need sunlight to grow their own food. This one's our potato, and so for our potato, we're going to find the part that has the little eye growing, and we're just going to cut that apart. I want to use the rest of the potato to eat, so I'm going to save the rest of it because I can still eat that. So I'm going to kind of cut out the piece that has the eye and give it some space. There we go. So there's my piece that has the eye on it, and we're going to plant that in some dirt in just a minute. Here for our shallot or for our onion, if you have a big onion that's like growing green stuff out of the top of it, you can just put that in the dirt just as it is. But for this little guy, we're going to treat it like if it was a garlic. We're going to open it up because if you look on the inside, you take the skin off, it actually has these little bulbs, kind of like a garlic would. And we plant these individually when we plant them in the ground. So we're just going to kind of separate those. And I'm not even going to do anything to that. I'm not going to cut it. I just want to separate it so that we can plant it. The rest I'm going to save to eat because that's going to be my dinner. Here's another thing that you can grow from things at home. A little bit of, this is an herb called basil, and it's really good on spaghetti, and Italian cooking, and Thai cooking. It's really good. And often in the grocery store, it just is sold like as a stalk, and you can also regrow this. This is actually a plant that I grew, and I've been working on growing it all winter. But what happens if you cut it off and it doesn't have any roots? Well, guess what? If you just pop it in some water, and I'm going to balance it real carefully here, you can regrow herbs like basil, cilantro, which is another really nice herb, or mint in a little jar just by propping it up, kind of like you would if you got flowers and you're putting them in a vase, and it'll regrow its roots so you can plant it again. Finally, you'll put your plants that you're trying to grow in a sunny place because we know the third big ingredient to grow plants is sun. So I put them by my window, and I've got my cabbage root, my basil stalk with the leaves and the stem, my shallot root, and my potato root over here. And we'll see how long it takes for things to change. When I see changes, I will update you in one of my next videos. So happy growing. We'll talk about planting seeds another time, but I thought this was kind of more creative and more fun. So happy growing, makers.